The Narragansett turkey is named for Narragansett Bay in Rhode Island, where the variety was developed. It descends from wild turkeys and the domestic turkeys, probably Norfolk blacks, brought to America by English and European colonists beginning in the 1600s. Improved and standardized for production qualities, the Narragansett became the foundation of the turkey industry in New England. It was not uncommon to find flocks of 1 to 200 birds, the product of a breeder flock of a dozen hens. Little supplemental feed was given to the turkeys. Instead, they ranged for grasshoppers, crickets, and other insects. Farmers raising the turkeys were aware of the benefits of genetic selection and raised young toms that weighed between 22 to 28 pounds and hens that were 12 to 16 pounds. The Narragansett has plumage with black, gray, tan, and white feathers. It resembles the bronze turkey but has feathers of gray or dull black, replacing the bronze's distinctive coppery coloring. The Narragansett sometimes has bars of white feathers on its wings due to a genetic mutation not found outside the United States. It has a black beard, a horn-colored beak, and a mostly featherless head and neck, which range in color from red to bluish white. The breed is prized for its excellent temperament, combining a calm disposition with good maternal abilities. They mature early, are good egg producers, have excellent quality meat, and when kept at liberty, they don't wander too far from home. They can run quickly, fly well, and prefer to spend their nights roosting in trees. Narragansett turkey eggs are cream-colored with small rusty brown freckles. Poults have varying shades of gray and black on their wings and are downy yellow on the rest of their bodies. Their heads are yellow with gray to black stripes. While never as popular as the bronze turkey, this breed was still valued for commercial agriculture across the United States. In the early 20th century, the population of the bronze turkey grew even more, and the Narragansett turkey soon became a rarity. It was not commercially cultivated for many decades until the early 21st century, when a growing niche market was established for consumers with a renewed interest in the biological fitness, survivability, and superior flavor of the Narragansett. The Narragansett turkey would make a useful and beautiful addition to the family farm or homestead. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever a new video is posted.